Are you still using Windows 8.1 or Windows 8 operating system? Definitely, I advise you to upgrade your device to Windows 10 or Windows 11. So if you want to upgrade your device to Windows 10 or Windows 11, I have some videos which can actually guide you on the process or the step-by-step on how to upgrade your device to Windows 10 or Windows 11. But if you are still using Windows 8.1 and you want to update your device in 2023, I think it is very important that you keep your device secure and up to date. As you may know, in this recent months and this millennium, hackers are finding every means to actually hack your device and steal your information. So what you need to do is you want to actually just under your start menu, when you go to on your keyboard, just press the start menu and the combination of X. It's going to bring the search button for you where you can actually search for programs on your device. So I want to search for update. You can see it's giving me some different options. Check for update, Windows update settings, choose whether to automatically install Windows update. So let me just go to Windows update. So under Windows update here, you can see I have some updates which are actually ready to install. You can see it says 5 important updates are available and 5 optional updates are available. So let's click at the 5 important updates. You can see they are already selected. So if I click cancel here and I go to the optional updates, so for the optional updates you will need to actually select the updates. Let me just select all, and then you can see we now have about 260 megabytes of update. So if I say install, now the update will begin to download. I have a total of 10 updates that will begin to download and install. You can see say installing updates. But we still have some settings we can actually do. For example, I can go to view update history, and you can see all the updates that have been installed on this Windows 8.1 device. There is a lot of updates. You can see we have some update which says it's important, recommended, but they've all been succeeded in installing. And if we go back again, we can actually go to the change settings. On change settings, you can see it says install updates automatically, of course, which is recommended. And you can see download update, but let me choose whether to install them. So this option is actually good if you don't want the update to be installed automatically, but you want to actually download the update at the background. The update will be, and you will choose if to install that update. So check for update, but let me choose whether to download and install. You see, because right now, before I actually check that update, they've already been downloaded, but they've not been installed. It's just after some time, if you leave your device on for a very long time, the update will be installed automatically. So you see here, it says give me a recommended update the same way I receive important updates. So just like the way it gives me some optional update, it's very important that you also give you some recommended update. Here you can see it says give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows. So we can decide to actually check this and then just click OK. So if we go back again to our checking for updates, you can see it says checking for updates. Well, it's checking for update because I have the changes I just made, but the update is already installing on our device. And lastly, you can see we have the restore hidden update. So sometimes there may be some hidden updates which are not installed. We can just decide to say, okay, you can, if the updates are available here, we can select them and then restore. You can see we have the restore button below here. You just click restore and the update will be restored, and then you can now install the update. Thank you very much for your time, and my name is Calvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and support to grow my channel, and I will appreciate that. And if you have any question, you can always leave a comment below. Even if it does not reflect to this this video, you can always leave a comment for other videos or other questions concerning, for example, Windows servers, Windows operating system, Microsoft 365, and I would definitely want to help you resolve your problem. Thank you very much for your time, and goodbye.